Nativity Praise Concert 2025 comes alive. Theme, I Am Lifted. Featuring Eben, Buchi, Bishop Praise Machine, Praise General, Amaka Obifula, Shola Sars, Gabriel, and many others on different tribes. Also featuring Emmanuel Iyeng, HOD comedian. Come and see God transform lives, break barriers, and heal the sick as we witness the outpouring of His excellent spirits. Venue, RCCG Cornerstone Parish, 126 Okota Road, opposite Zenny Bank, Okota, Lagos, Nigeria. Date 23rd of March 2025. Red carpet 3 p.m. Main event 4 p.m. For inquiries, please call 080 9755 3966. Praise General Amaka Obifuna is the convener of this program. Don't miss it.